Take a ride in the 2018 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, running boards, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, remote vehicle start, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.